Ever grappled with the chaos of building an online business? Ever wished for a magic wand that could align your digital dreams into a seamless symphony? Enter Systeme.io, the ultimate all-in-one platform that transforms your online business into a flourishing empire. Picture a toolbox, not just any toolbox, but one that's brimming with everything you need to morph your raw ideas into a polished, successful online venture. Systeme.io is not just a platform, it's your launchpad to the stars. Starting an online business can feel like untangling a knotted web, but with Systeme.io, the journey becomes as smooth as silk. It's your stage, where ideas pirouette into strategies and aspirations evolve into tangible accomplishments. Envision a canvas, your entrepreneurial strokes painting a vivid picture of success, guided by intuitive tools that make your journey seem effortless. From crafting captivating sales funnels to nurturing a community with robust email marketing, Systeme.io is your genie in the digital realm, granting wishes of scalability and success. Systeme.io isn't just about features, it's about empowerment. It's about freeing you to innovate without boundaries, to dream without limits. It's about thriving in a digital world that rewards creativity and determination. Welcome to Systeme.io, where your online business isn't just a venture, it's a legacy in the making. So why wait? Step into the future of online business with Systeme.io. Embrace the power to turn your dreams into reality, your ideas into success, and your passion into a thriving online empire. Because with Systeme.io, you're not just building a business, you're creating a legacy.